Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time of the day it is for you. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia, and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Today on this channel, guys, I am going to do something for you with this. I've seen it in a couple of pictures on Pinterest, and what it is, it's an ornament, but it's a tall ornament that will sit, that's supposed to sit outside your door on your porch. So if you want to see what I'm going to do with all of this, guys, don't go anywhere, come back, and I'll be back with you in 2 seconds. Okay, guys, I am back, and I was just having me a little bit of tea for myself before I get back on. So, because it's morning time for me right now. So what we have here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the corner, a picture of what I'm doing, so that you get an idea. But what we're going to use, I'm going to put them here like this. We are using this star. I have a snowflake. I also have this bell. I don't think I'll be using it, but I'll use it to show how you can switch up the look. So let me put this over here because I really don't need it right this moment. But we will be using these silver bells. I also will be using this little disc, which it's a cardboard disc that I'm going to paint silver. And this will help me with this look. I have 3 of the plastic or acrylic. I guess they're plastic, acrylic. But 3 dessert bowls or snack bowls. I have 1 tea candle that changes colors. I also have this LED light with the remote, and it is waterproof, as you see, guys. It's color changing. I have 4, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bowls, but I think I'm only going to need 5. And I have 4 more, well, again, snack bowls. And I have 4 larger snack bowls, or I guess these could either be snacks or maybe like punch bowls, I think. I'm not sure. I guess whatever you want to use it for. But that's what I have, guys. And I'll be using hot glue gun. And I will also be using some E6000. Either E6000 or this other glue that I have. It's a Dollar Tree glue, but the stuff works. This right here, Fix-All adhesive. So I'll probably use the Fix-All adhesive along with the hot glue gun. So guys, let me get myself organized here. Be right back. All right, we're back with everything that we need. And the first thing is to use, I'm going to use this as a base because it has a nice wide, circumference. So to keep this balanced. So first thing I'm going to do is add some Fix-All. Then a couple of dots of the hot glue. And this will help it to give us a fast hold. And I put a big dish on. Not dish, but bowl. And try to get it right smack in the middle. All right, and then next part of the puzzle, seems we're building here. I'm just going to put some Fix-All around the edge of this bowl here. And I'm leaving a space so that I can put the hot glue there. And I'll put the hot glue here. Trying to put it on this little skinny rim. And put this one on top. And try to line up the grooves. Make sure it's aligned properly as best you can. The next layer, or the next, and actually when this is done, it'll look like Christmas ornaments. So I'm going to do the same thing. Just repeat that step. The other one, the first one, I put the glue on all the way around, but like I said, I'm going to hot glue it. Did I get out of focus, y'all? Sorry about that. Put this right in the middle as best you can. All right, so this is drying nicely. So far, so good. And then I'm going to do the same thing with this. I'm going to glue this in place. And once I finish gluing all of these pieces together, we'll continue on. All right, next we're going to use the smaller bowls, and I'm going to glue these together first, and then I'll put them on top. So, just going to glitter this up. Nice and glittery. I'm just going to hot glue this one. I'm not going to use the fix-all for this. Paper and plastic, it'll glue real well together. I'm going to put this star, I'm going to glue this snowflake to the star. And it's good that this snowflake already has a little groove in it right here, so it'll fit right on top of this little knob right here, just right. And this part right here with the hole right, I didn't bother. I just decided to put this on the bottom. That way it won't be so noticeable, and I don't think anybody will see that anyway. But this is the star with the snowflake on it. And this will go right inside, just like that. And here we have it, from the bottom to the top. Let me see. I could probably put this, I like the bell. There we go. I like that better. All right, so now I'm going to put the light inside and see how it does. We're going to see what it do. All right, there it is, guys. You really can't see how the colors are too well because, let me see if I turn this light off. And let me turn this light off. Turn off a couple of these lights so you can see it shine a little better. It's the red, green, the blue. We could do the fade. This will look better if it's dark, you know, in the evening time. Or we can make it jump. I don't know, it just seemed like it needs more because the top of it doesn't really do anything as far as, I mean, it just looks very decorative. The light doesn't shine on it or anything like that. But it still looks good. What you guys think? Leave me a comment below. Ooh, it got a little dim out there. I guess a big cloud just went overhead. Look at that. Trying to move it without cutting you guys off by accident. Later on tonight, I'm going to sit it out on the front porch and we're going to see how it looks. You know what? And I also wanted to show you guys how you can change the look with that option to be able to take this star off. And if we wanted to give this a golden theme, just put that on top. Now with that, I'm going to turn the light on so you can see it better. Okay, that's one look. Then the other look, I was thinking like that. This bow is a little shoddy, but, you know, just to give you an idea. Give it that look. Right? Fix that up a little bit more. Fluff it out. And then this one here, just thinking, just trying different stuff, you know, trying to see what works, what doesn't. So there. What you guys think? Like I said, later on this evening, I'm going to put it outside and we're going to see what it do. Here is a full view of the finishing touches. There is an option too, guys. You can make this more sturdy by adding the other bowl to the bottom, like this one here is, and put rocks or stones or sand in it in the bottom. But I would put it in a bag and then put it in so that you will have weight to it if you're going to be using it outside. You can use it indoors, sit it in the corner of your home with the rest of your decor, seasonal decor, or you can put it next to your tree. Here you see I have fairy lights on it. It's a string of 30 lights, and it strings all the way to the top of the star. And right here I have the LED light inside. It's a waterproof light with remote. Changes colors. They could fade in and out, or the colors can jump in and out. You can also use other colored bowls if you would like, and just fashion them, the same way, glue them together, and then just decorate them. Add your own embellishment to make it what you want it to be. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up for a like. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will know. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.